This is TriTech Tips from Renascence IT. 3-minute tech tips for home and office. Hello and welcome. Today's topic is wireless hardware. We'll review the different types of hardware available for wireless networking, and we'll discuss what options are available that can help improve your current wireless speed and signal. Okay, we'll start with the basics: wireless modems and routers. A wireless modem and a router are both needed to connect a wireless device to a network and to the internet. A modem converts broadband signals into data packets, while a router provides IP addresses and controls packet delivery to computers and devices on your network. A router also keeps track of the queries to the internet in order to forward responses back to the device that made the request. Many routers can also provide limited firewall services and protect your network by blocking unauthorized traffic from the internet. Wireless modems and routers are frequently combined into a single device, like the one pictured here, that you'll receive from your internet service provider. Wireless access points. An access point is a base station and an antenna that converts digital signals on wires to radio waves for wireless transmission. Access points can be separate devices that connect to a router, or they can be built into one. Multiple access points can be deployed in the network to improve the level of service and avoid blocked radio signals. Wireless hotspots. A wireless hotspot provides wireless networking using a mobile carrier such as Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile. Each of these carriers sell devices called portable hotspots. These devices provide a connection between the mobile network and your computer. Most smartphones can also act as a personal hotspot, using the data plan on your phone to provide access to the internet to a computer. Network cards and adapters. A wireless network adapter decodes radio signals sent from an access point or a hotspot back into data packets. A computer must have some type of network adapter in order to access a wireless network. If you have a laptop, this wireless adapter is already built in. Some desktop computers will have them built in as well, but they can also be installed in order to enable a desktop to transfer data on a wireless network, just like a laptop. An easy way to add a network adapter to a desktop is via a USB adapter, like the two that are pictured here on the right. Network extenders. Extenders receive radio signals and amplify them to improve network connections over longer distances. Extenders can be installed to provide better wireless performance when signals are blocked by walls or floors. Extenders are small and can plug directly into a wall outlet, which makes them very convenient and easy to deploy. We hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, please let us know. You can find us at renitconsulting.com.